The US dollar was wound down by the comments of Dallas Federal Reserve Bank President Robert Kaplan. He believes that the regulator is unlikely to hike the key rate until next year. Meanwhile, Asian shares rose in the stock market despite weak signals from Wall Street. So, there are lots of interesting topics to discuss. Let's move on to more detailed overview on today's Asian session. The US dollar index is extending losses again. However, this was predicted earlier, so this decline did not come as a surprise to anyone. In the Asian session, the greenback was trading at the level of 89.70. Technical indicators signal a continuation of the downward movement. Tomorrow, the US dollar index may fall to the level of 89.60 and 89.50 amid the statements from the Fed. The regulator is likely to confirm once again that it will not raise the interest rate in the near future. Meanwhile, the yen is crossroads. On the one hand, the US stock indexes are still trading at their highs. On the other hand, the US dollar index continues to lose ground. Currently, the yen is also declining as in the previous days. If the fall of the US dollar index continues, the dollar-yen pair is likely to reach the target level of 109.37. This will push the price to the second target level of 109.97. The Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar rose against their main rivals in the Asian session on Tuesday as a weaker US dollar boosted commodity prices. The Aussie also strengthened slightly amid upbeat data on the wage price index in Australia. In April, this indicator was slightly better than the forecast. Yet, despite the positive results of the report, the correction reversal continued. Yesterday, the Australian dollar broke through the previously predicted resistance level. Later, the Aussie, along with the other currencies that trade against the US dollar, tumbled. The quote may still reverse upwards to the target of 0.7641, the high of December 17, 2020. We should wait for confirmation signals. There are two intermediate levels on the way to this target level, 0.7735 and 0.7690. Small corrections are possible after reaching these levels. If the Aussie breaks through these levels, it will easily reach the indicated target level in the near future. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.